hard work, you can achieve anything. Without hard work, nothing grows but weeds.
A very warm welcome to the Scholar Awards ceremony. Students of class 7, 20 to 21 are going to receive their scholar badges today. This badge does not just aim at felicitations and certifications, but its aim is to motivate all students to achieve their goal. I, Sarvi Rai from class 8F, and my friend Udipan Gogoi from class 8C have the proud privilege of hosting today's event. I would like to call our coordinator of class 8, Ms. Shama Khurana, to initiate the event.
Education is the passport to the future, for tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Good evening to one and all present. Today, we are here to honor and acknowledge excellence in academics and announce the names of the proud students, the scholar awardees of class 7th for the session 2020-21 who are presently in class 8th. Scholar Badge is awarded to the students who score 85% and above in aggregate, and in class 8th, Scholar Blazer is awarded to the students who receive Scholar Badge for 3 consecutive years. Heartiest congratulations to the proud recipients. God bless.
Thank you, Shama ma'am. Succeeding in life is as simple as being a good student. All we have to do is pay attention, work hard, and give it our best shot. To begin today's celebration, we have a school choir with their musical performance.
आकाश के
ceremony, time and again, we have realized that knowledge is liberating, information is satiating, and success is empowering. Our beloved principal ma'am, Miss Sandhya Avasthi, has always shown us the right path. She has encouraged us to progress and has been our inspiration to strive for excellence in all our ventures. I would like to request our principal ma'am to bless us on this occasion.
My dear scholars and their families, heartiest congratulations. It is your spirit and desire for learning that motivated us to keep the school up and running during this difficult period. Thank you for your commitment and courage. Scholars are taught and groomed at school, but lovingly nurtured at home. Dear parents, thank you for providing a loving environment for our learners. The last session was a period of intense research, innovation, and development here at DPS Greater Noida. Our classrooms were focused on students' learning. We attempted that no student was left behind and provided interventions through our focus and enrichment classes. Our science and maths learning became focused on thinking and research, and our assessment also changed accordingly. It has reaped fruit in terms of our increased student performance. And this is going to impact their future performances in competitive exams and the class 12th board exam. I'm very happy to share with you that our school results this year were absolutely wonderful. Out of the total 287 children that took the 12th board exam, our toppers garnered up a school average of 88.98. Our toppers, Radhika and Anushka, were from humanities and science stream. Anushka Wall secured a 99.2 and so did Radhika, 99.2. Our class 10th also repeated the same feat. Total students that had registered were 357 and the school average is 87.35%. So, and our results in various competitive exams also has been extremely enriching. I'd like to end by saying an enormous thank you for your messages of thanks. This is in this kind of situation, like no other, we appreciate your support and recognition. Dearest children, every feat and everything that you've secured for which you are getting felicitated today is a result of hard work and also of an extremely wonderful spirit and commitment to stay on course. We commend it. I wish you the best now and forever. May you always be scholars, not only in academics, but also in whatever you wish to do in life. Always remember that while you're studying and you're great students, you also have to be good human beings. You have to keep all the values that the school and your parents are working hard to embed, and also take care of others, like our school motto is service before self. Service is a virtue that we must all have. We must, while we work hard to make good lives, we also must work hard to make a good country and a good society. And I'm sure when you pass out of the portals of this school, you'll do just that. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am, for being our inspiration. It is indeed a sublime occasion for our spectacular dreamers and achievers. As they say, the world needs dreamers and the world needs doers. But above all, the world needs dreamers who do. Today, we wish to acknowledge, appreciate, and applaud the dreams that have been realized by our versatile students. May I now cordially invite the HRTs of 8th A, B, and C to announce the names of the Scholar Badge holders.
लगन परिश्रम शुभ भावों से सपना हर साकार बने, सदा सफलता पाएं, यूं ही जीवन का सुंदर आकार बने। इसी शुभकामना संदेश के साथ मैं आशा भड़ाना कक्षा 8A के उन समस्त छात्रों को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूं जिन्हें कक्षा 7 सत्र 2020-21 में अपनी शैक्षणिक योग्यता के श्रेष्ठ प्रदर्शन के लिए स्कॉलर बैच की प्राप्ति हुई। स्कॉलर बैच धारकों के नाम इस प्रकार हैं:
आकर्षित कुमार, अंबर नारंग, अनीश मैत्री, अर्शिया भंसाली। अर्घ जैन, अथर्व सिंह, भव्य जैन, दिव्यांशा गोयल। दिव्यांशु चमोली, ईशा चतुर्वेदी, ईशान सिंघल, कनिष्क भारद्वाज। कुशाग्र सिंह, लव्य कुमार अग्रवाल, मेध्या यादव, नंदिका भाटी। परिधि चिकारा, पर्व जैन, प्रणव, प्रणिता गर्ग। सहज अरोरा, शौर्य थपलियाल, शौर्य कसाना, तोशानी मेहरा। वाणी भूषण, विख्यात खुराना, यश कुमार सिंह, यशित खुराना।
Success means having the courage, the determination, and the will to become the person you believe you were meant to be. Good evening, dear all. Good evening, dear parents and dear students. Here I am, Mohita Vadhwa, HRT Class 8B, and I am here to announce the names of the proud recipients of the Scholar Badge for the session 2020-21 of my class. The names of the students are as follows.
And here I begin with Adya Mittal, Arna Verma, Aditya Manish Gulati, Anant Kumar Singh. Then we have Ananya Sharma, Anvi Mishra, Aviral Singh Chauhan, Bhavya Sharma. Dev Sisodia, Gunvi Gupta, Jia Singla, Kayal Vizi, Manasvi Verma, Mitali Chaturvedi, Prince Kanojia, Pranav Chatterjee. Samyak Jain, Sarthak Singh, Shagun, Shubhi Chauhan. Shudita Uniyal, Sia Pratap, Stuti Yadav, Sumidha Srivastav. And last but not the least, Vedansh Saini.
Good evening, one and all present here. I am HRT of Class 8C Tanuja Prasad. I feel proud to announce the name of Scholar Batch awardee of my class. You all have worked very hard and you deserve this achievement. अभिषेक खन्ना, ऐश्वर्या धवन, अपर्णा गुप्ता, अर्चित मिश्रा, आर्यन अग्रवाल, अशाद इशरत, चेष्टा यादव, देव गोयल। गौरी वर्मा, जानवी कृष्णा, सार्थक जोशी, श्रेया सिंह। सुरभि वर्मा, तनिष्क गुजराल, तेजल शर्मा, तृषा शॉ। उद्दीपन गोगोई, वंश शर्मा, वरदान, विधि वशिष्ठ। युवराज सिंह।
Thank you, teachers. Inspiration must keep pouring on. We have with us today our parent representative of Class 8, Dr. Ambika Pathy. I would like to request our guest to please share her precious words with us today.
Respected Ms. Sandhya Avasthi ma'am, Principal, DPS, Greater Noida, and Ms. Manju Verma ma'am, Vice Principal, DPS, Greater Noida. I would like to extend my greatness towards the complete DPS team, Greater Noida, for their excellent performance in the academics and nurturing the children's. And even in pandemic situation, they continued their effort to motivate all the students and parents, and they always had the proper follow-up of all the students so that they do not lag in the academics. And I once again thank all the dignitaries for giving me this opportunity to say few words for our little young champs. I feel honored to congratulate each and every student who scored very good academic performances and good marks, and they are the one who are going to lead our country in future. I wish them great success in their life in future, and for today also enjoy your days. And really I feel very great for you all, each and every one of you, and have a great success year ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your inspiring and enriching words. Moving ahead with the award ceremony, I would like to call upon the HRTs of A, D, E, and F.
Good evening all. I, Neeti Walia, HRT Class 8D, feel honored in introducing the names of deserving Scholar Badge holders for the session 2020-21. I begin with
जेशना खन्ना, मानवीर सिंह मारवाहा, खयाती चौधरी, नौमित, नीव साहनी, प्रियांश पानीगरी, प्रिया, रिधव गोयल,
Greetings to one and all present. I, Niyati Arun Pathak, HRT Class 8E, would like to introduce the proud recipients of Scholar Badge of Class 7E for the session 2021. Thank you.
Anshi Panwar, Anvesha, Arnav Saxena, Harsh Somvanshi, Jaditya Chatrat, Karman Vasu, Lakshya Vatsa, Pranav Sharma, Sabiha Ali, Savitur Gupta, Shaurya
मेहंदी रता, वैष्णवी गुप्ता, युविका सिंह.
Of children born with silver spoons, I'm sure you must have heard, but the kind of stuff my students have is a fairy tale untold. So often we find that the students we are trying to inspire are the ones that end up inspiring us. A warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone on behalf of HRT 8th F Renuka Dabral. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to announce to you the Scholar Badge winners of session 2021 of class 7th F. And I begin with angelic and alert Anushka Singh, daring and driven Dhruv Chauhan, devoted and disciplined Dhruv Goyal, determined and diligent Divyansh Agarwal. Delightful and deep thinker Divyanshi Singh, generous and gentle Gauri Gupta, the go-getter Gehna Rana, honest and humorous Harshil Das, lively and laudable Lavanya Chandra, mature and motivated Meghna Singh, strong and stupendous Sanvi Rai, the saintly and silent Shashwat Das. Sincere and sensitive Surabhi Bajaj, tactful and trustworthy Tanusha Sharma, unique and unchanging Uditi Arora, unassuming and useful Unnati Goyal, vast and versatile Vinamra Mishra, humble and hard-working H.P. Vishesh, youthful and zestful Yashvi Shah, and last but not the least, the smart and sensible Saksham Chauhan. A big applause for all the winners and all the very best for your future.
Thank you, teachers. In a society that worships love, freedom, and beauty, dance is sacred. It is a prayer for the future, a remembrance of the past, and a joyful exclamation of thanks for the present. I would like to invite our dance troupe for the performance Gandhi Ek Ehsaas.
आप मुझे जंजीरों में जकड़ सकते हैं, यातना दे सकते हैं, इस शरीर को नष्ट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप कभी मेरे विचारों को कैद नहीं कर सकते।
मैं हिंसा का विरोध करता हूं क्योंकि उससे पाया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम वक्त के लिए होता है और उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए।
दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकते। क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है।
अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना।
अपने उद्देश्य में दृढ़ विश्वास रखने वाला एक सूक्ष्म शरीर इतिहास के रुख को बदल सकता है।
मैं मरने को तैयार हूं, पर ऐसी कोई वजह नहीं जिसके लिए मैं मारने को तैयार हूं।
व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। वो जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है।
खुशी तब मिलेगी जब जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप कहते हो और जो आप करते हो वो एक है।
आप मानवता में विश्वास मत खोइए। मानवता सागर की तरह है। अगर सागर की कुछ बूंदें गंदी हैं, तो सागर गंदा नहीं हो जाता।
गांधी is really एक एहसास. Moving on with the Scholar Award ceremony, I invite the HRTs of 8G, H and I.
This is Tanya Gulshan, HRT of 8G. I take pride in announcing the names of the students who are receiving the Scholar Badge for the academic excellence in Class 7 during the session 2020-21. The recipients of the Scholar Badge are
Abir Singh, Akshat Jain, Ashwika Tongar, Bani Tal, Devik Rakesh Goyal, Divit Sharma, Ishmeet Singh, Katrina Lohia, Lakshay Singh, Naisha Dua, Navya, Prisha Chabra, Rishika Singh, Ritvik Tauri, Ruchit Sharma, Rishan Ahmed, Saina Gupta, Tia Bhangari, Yash Saini.
Your today's success is the beginning of tomorrow's achievement. Greetings to all the parents and students. I, Dipali Chaturvedi, is honored to announce the names of the Scholar Awardees of Class 7th H, Session 2021. Arush Nema, Arushi Vashne, Aditi Mishra, Aranya Datta. Charvi Mishra, Daksh Sharma, Darsh Mittal, Darshita Singh. Disha Chauhan, Garima Sharma, Mohammad Atif, Mrinalini Singh. Navya Dhanai, Pihu Singh, Rashi Tripathi, Riddhi Mishra. Samishta Jindal, Sarthak Jain, Saumil Goyal, Shayan Akhtar. Shrestha Mangal, Siddhakdeep Singh Chahal, Sonakshi Arya, Sayyida Fariya Fatima. Urvansh, Vidhi Rao, Yashika Agrawal. Congratulations to all the awardees, and now I hand over to Miss Pooja Ved.
कठिन परिश्रम ही सफलता की कुंजी है। अथक प्रयासों से मिली सफलता गूंजी है। मैं पूजा वैद, कक्षा 8I की अध्यापिका, आज उन सभी स्कॉलर बैच धारकों के नाम बोलते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता का अनुभव कर रही हूँ, जिन्होंने कक्षा 7I सत्र 2020-21 में अपनी शैक्षणिक उत्कृष्टता के लिए स्कॉलर बैच प्राप्त किए। स्कॉलर बैच धारक हैं
आयुषी रॉय, अमोक कुमार टुलो, अंशुमन शर्मा, अवनी तिवारी, गौरी शर्मा, क्षितिज भाटी, मानिक गोयल, मानवी केसर, प्रत्यक्ष सिंह, सारिम वली खान, शानवी तिवारी, शिवाश्रिता नाहक, श्रद्धा सिंह, स्वानिक बंसल, तन्मय श्रीवास्तव, तनिष्ठा सुनील शर्मा, तन्वी सैनी, उपासना भट्टाचार्य, वंशिका सिंह।
Thank you, ma'am. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. We are indeed blessed to be mentored by such leaders in this institution. May I now invite our Vice Principal, Ms. Manju Verma, to share her thoughts with us.
Namaskar and good evening to all present. Dear students, at one point in time, the idea of an aeroplane was just that, an idea. But with an immense amount of drive and passion, that idea is now a reality. All of you who are being awarded scholar badges or medals, trophies today have also exhibited the same amount of drive and passion to achieve academic excellence. The award is a recognition of your consistent hard work, perseverance, dedication and diligence. I would like to take this opportunity to also congratulate all the proud parents because it is their resilience that has helped their children to excel. Additionally, I would like to congratulate all the faculty members whose continuous encouragement and guidance has helped their children to soar such heights. We wish all of you all the very best for all your future endeavors and look forward to hearing more such success stories. I once again congratulate all the awardees today and wish them good luck for the next session. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. To continue with the award ceremony, may I invite the HRTs of 8J and K.
Good evening, parents. I'm Sonia Patania, HRT of Class 8J. It's an honor to announce the names of the Scholar Badge holders of Class 7J 2020-21.
Abhinav Mavi, Advika Tomar, Anshika Varshne, Arav Dhawan. Harsh Raza Zaidi, Avi Goyal, Dhairya Singh, Gauri Gupta. मानिनी गुप्ता, नीलाक्षी अग्निहोत्री, राजवंश सिंह, रुद्रांश बख्शी. सक्षम गोयल, सुहाना सिंह, जोहा फिरोज. थैंक यू.
Good evening, everyone. I, Mrs. Mona Sinha, HRT of Class 8K, is privileged to announce the names of the Scholar Badge holders of Class 7K for the session 2021. I begin with
Adrishi Khatana, Asmi Jain, Akshat Dwivedi, Ayushi Singh Bagel, Ekagra Agarwal, Jatin Dikshit, Harshit Sharma, Kushagra Gupta, Paras Sharma, Rudra Garg, Panav Rena, Shreyash Kumar, Tejash Sinha, Anaya Bansal. Thank you.
Thank you, teachers. To culminate today's Scholar Award Assembly, I would like to invite our coordinator for Class 8, Ms. Sonika Nandwani, to propose the vote of thanks.
Success is a key reflection of the efforts, pride, and passion with which a person lives.
A warm and a cherished evening to one and all. I, Sonika Nandwani, on behalf of DPS Greater Noida and entire school fraternity, would like to thank everyone for your kind presence and making the day memorable one. All that school has accomplished in the past years wouldn't have been possible without the continuous cooperation and the best wishes of the well-meaning parents, hard work and dedication of our loving students, and the continuous support of our school management, who together have tried to mold the future generation into the virtuous citizens. I also want to convey my good wishes to my loving students for your better future and your future endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. May I now request all to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय